Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about SYS.ARGV in Python. So sys means system and argv means argument vector. So it's just a list that contains all the arguments you type in the command line when running a script. And the first item, which is index 0, is always the name or the script name itself. So yeah, we need to import it, and this is how you do it. And I'm also importing connect handler to connect to the device. Okay, so step one is check if enough arguments are passed. So I have this if statement, right? So we need at least 4 arguments, so IP, username, password, and a command. So this means that if you pass less than 5 arguments, the code will print this, or Python will print this, and the code or program will exit. And I'm gonna we can see that later. And the next step is extract arguments from sys.argv. So like we said, sys.argv is a list, and we are going to print that later after we run when we run the script. And this is how you extract the arguments. So index 1 is equals to IP, index 2 is username, index 3 is password, and index 4 is and beyond. Index 4 and beyond is the command itself. Okay, and step 3 is this: how you define the device dictionary. So in this case, we are using the device type telnet. So host is IP. We are passing, or we are assigning the IP to the key. Yeah, this is a key, right? Dictionary, so key value pairs. So value key, value key, value key. Okay. And step 4 is this: how you connect to the device and run the command. So establish the connection and send the command provided by the list sys.argv and capture the output, or print the output in the console, and disconnect from telnet, or disconnect the telnet connection. And we also handle error. So this is a try except block. Okay, so let me go ahead and run the script and see what happens. So Python, the name of the file, it's just optional. So actually, let me just, so Python, the name of the script, right? This, and this is the IP or host. So in this case, I'm using the host name and username, password, and the command itself. So let me run it. So we see the list, which is this. That's because of this statement here. And we see the command or the output because of this print statement here. Okay, so like we said, we are just extracting the arguments from this list. So this is the list. So IP is, index 1 is, we are assigning it to a variable called IP. Index number 2, username. Index number 3, password, which is this. And then here we are just joining the list into one string with a space in between. That's why we get, that's why the device accepted this command here, because of this expression. Okay, so if, let me show you this. So if I print it without using the join, let me do it again, just to show you that it's really a list. Here, it's a list. So because of the join function, we are able to concatenate it or join the list into one string. All right. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.